This is Dave Rexroth. Got some cold weather that's going to last for quite a while, down to 33 in Detroit tonight. There'll be probably a few spots that actually hit the upper 20s. Clouds break up, the wind's a little lighter, allows us to get cold. 33 in the Motor City, Canton maybe 34, closer to 30 in a lot of spots like Heartland, Ann Arbor, and Oxford as well. Now on Thursday, some decent sunshine. A couple clouds, but some decent sun. It just doesn't help too much. Low to mid 40s with 45, one of the warmer spots around in Detroit. However, the weather takes a significant change on Friday. So tomorrow, some sunshine, still chilly, 45. Here's what happens now with Friday. There's a storm system coming out of Kansas there. It starts moving in from the southwest very early on Friday morning. So here's the start of the rush hour, a mix of rain and snow through 9 a.m., up through noon as well, and it starts pushing a little bit farther to the north with some of the heavier moisture. So this is going to be a situation where there'll be a combination of rain and snow together. It looks like nothing gets a chance to stick in Monroe, Wayne County, Macomb County, southeast Oakland County, up into St. Clair County. There'll be some snowflakes that fall, but they should just melt on contact. Now, the areas that look like something might stick, it's not going to be to the roads right now. It looks like it's going to be on the top of your car if it's parked outside overnight, the deck or the railing on your porch, that kind of thing, or maybe even the grass, but not the roads. But it could be up to a half an inch or so on the grass, Adrian to Ann Arbor to Pontiac and north and west. And in Livingston County, northwest Washtenaw County, maybe some of those grassy surfaces, again, the top of your car, that kind of thing, if it's parked outside, go up to an inch. So a little colder air there on the northwest side. Then it's very chilly over the weekend, 37 and 38 for highs Saturday and Sunday. Veterans Day Sunday looks dry. There could be an isolated snow shower in the afternoon on Saturday.